How many times can you hear, "No, I'm not interested"? Or even worse, Evorich Smart Card does all the hard work for you and makes sure you only have conversations with people actually interested in your opportunity, speaking only to the right person with the right message at the right time. Remember when we could all go out and prospect face-to-face? Times have changed. Now it's vital that you harness the power of your social media. Evorich Smart Card's proven automatic prospecting tools are perfect wherever your audience hang out online. Do you ever find yourself spending time scrolling social media, procrastinating, and putting off actually working to grow your business? Your built-in DMO tracker ensures you take consistent, productive, and effective action. You've got a great way to build your team, but can share and duplicate the process. Now you can have every member of your organization running a prospecting system in just a few minutes. Overcome the objection that a new partner doesn't know how to sell the opportunity. This system has been developed with input from the highest earners and best-known educators in the network marketing space. Learn from the very best. You may have a company website, but let's be honest, it's no good for finding new prospects. Evorich Smart Card is a fully built marketing funnel tested over years and designed specifically for building your team. Have you ever heard the saying, "The fortune is in the follow-ups"? But in reality, how often do you effectively follow up with prospects? Not to worry. Evorich Smart Card automatically follows up every single prospect for you. But I don't know how to generate leads. We've got you. Evorich Smart Card is packed with exclusive training from industry legend Fraser Brooks. He will guide you through every step needed to find your next team member. Evorich Smart Card has been designed specifically for network marketers, just like you, to grow your business and make the best use of their time. Evorich Smart Card has been designed specifically for network marketers, just like you, to grow your business and make the best use of their time.